Jed from GDK Veneering. Here in front of us we have two sets of rover sd1 sets. Now you can see various colours because the sun bleached. This side are going to be a lot lighter, and also the lacquer and the veneer starting to lift off that. This side a little bit darker, not as much sun, probably in the UK, but you will see there's a lot of chips that are all down here. That's going to be from off the seatbelt. As the seatbelt flings back, all these little chips will be from that. These are a bit lighter than there. Brackets are strong on the back. Very luckily the customer, with him sending the two sets to us, is marked up one set all with the white dots. So that's them there. What we're going to be doing with these is stripping all the veneer completely off. This part of the door capping there is veneered and around that bull nose. And the top there, that's dirty brown paint. All of it will get lacquered, all of it gets polished. I'm going to give you an idea of the type of veneer we're going to put back onto this. And I've had a stain to give it just a slight tinge. And that's going to look like this. This is bare walnut veneer, and this comes in sheets like this. And obviously we'll cut around that so we don't use anywhere where there's any defects if possible. And you see if you spray a bit of water on there, this will mimic the colour before we add a stain. So you imagine that against that, there's a big difference, and that colour would have been the type of colour that this set would have started out. So that's the veneer inside. Please join us back as we get a bit further through the project. Please click like, share and tell your friends. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, like I said. Please click like, share. Bye bye for now.